add slide number, because people these days people want less time to deliver more thing. And if you do not have slide number and you are talking and your talking is boring, so they will be get more and more bored. If your talking is interesting and good interactive, so if you have large number of slides, they don't get bored. But if you are not a good presenter like me, and if you are putting no slide numbers, and so I think there's a problematic. So why I recommend slide number? Because the audience will see your slide number, that how many slides you have. And people do mistake. Let me show you how to add slide number. Look, this is my PhD program, and I also miss slide number. This is very bad. You see here, this is very, very bad. So slide number don't have. So what people basically do, go to NZ here, and it's very clear. You just read things by yourself. Slide number here, you see, slide number. So just slide number here, and apply to all. So it appear here, you see. Okay, so it appear here, but it's not visible here. Now what people basically doing here, let me make it bold and little bit larger and just change the color and make it completely black. So people will see. But now, for example, if I am here and I want that my slide number, I don't know why it's not clear. Let's make it a little bit above here. You see here, and when people see that this is I'm now in 4 number slide, so I think it is also a problematic here. For example, I'm slide number 4, but people do not know that how many slides are there. So the first thing is, either you have to do like this. For example, if you have total slide 35, just put the slash here and make it 35. So, people will see now he's in 4th slide and 35. You see here, total slides are 35. Similarly, put here below this 6, put here 35. You have to do this manually, and it's very easy. It's not that much big thing that you think that it will make trouble for me. No, it's very, very simple. You see here, this is the 6th number slide. It's very interesting. So people will take interest in it. If your presentation is boring, so they will not make trouble for you, and they will say, oh, we have just 20 slides left, or something like that. The other way is, either if you just want to not give this 35, okay, so you need to show them here first, at the first glance, their total slides is equal to 30. So yeah, it also makes sense. This also makes sense. If you tell them that total slides are 30, so they will take that, this is very good that we have 30 slides. But I don't recommend this. For example, if some audience come late and they miss this slide, so they don't know later that what are the things really happening here. So I strongly recommend using this approach. Okay, so my second tip was to basically add slide number in your presentations. I hope that it will help, and please follow my videos. I will give the reasons, not only like Google, I will give the reasons that why you need to add this tip, why you need to follow this tip. Thanks for watching.